sometimes claims need to be reprocessed. This might happen for a variety of reasons, and following this process can be a little confusing. So let's take a look at how claim suffixes can be used to navigate this process easier. Bring up your claims history on the PBA portal. The default sort order is by date, with newest claims appearing first. Look at the claim number column. Normal claims end with a suffix of -00. To find claims that have been reprocessed, look for multiple claims with the same claim number, but with different claim suffixes. This group, like the one shown here, usually denotes a reprocessed claim, but let's dig a little deeper. Open the -00 claim. Notice the total charges and the non-covered services amounts are the same. Also notice that this claim shows a paid amount of $0 and an ineligible reason. This shows that this claim was denied. The ineligible reason may shed some light on why the claim was denied. Now let's go back to the claims history again. The claim ending in -01 is the backed out claim. This just zeroes everything out in preparation for the claim to be reprocessed. The -02 claim actually shows the reprocessed claim. Let's open this one up and take a look at the details. Notice now we see a coinsurance and copayment amount listed. We see a provider discount and the non-covered services is $0. Also notice that we see a paid amount and no ineligible reason. This shows that the claim was successfully reprocessed and paid. So if you want to view the latest information for a reprocessed claim, make sure to view the details for the claim ending in -02. Be aware that if your PPO is Anthem, each stage in claims processing will be shown with a totally different claim number rather than with the same claim number and different claim suffixes. Also keep in mind that some claims might require several extra processing steps. It's not unusual to see additional claim suffixes beyond -02. Always follow the trail of claim suffixes to view information about each processing step for a claim.